welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make more kulambu. This is a very authentic recipe made using ashcot. Very easy and delicious recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixie jar, add half cup of coconut, 3 green chilies, 1 piece of ginger, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 2 tablespoons of water. Grind this to a very fine paste. Transfer the content to another bowl and to the same mixie jar add 200 ml of curd and 2 tablespoons of water. Grind it well and keep it ready. Now heat a mud pot and add 3 cups of water. Add 1 cup of ashcot pieces. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a quick stir and let this cook for another 10 minutes until the ashcot is nicely done. It's been 10 minutes, the ashcot is nicely done, so go ahead and add the ground masala and mix it well. Let this cook for another 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes now, so simmer the flame and add the curd. Mix it well for 2 minutes and off the flame. Finally, temper and add some curry leaves and dried red chilies. Give it a nice mix. Let this cool down completely, then enjoy with a bowl of rice. Very delicious and authentic recipe, so do try this at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.